So the world is in a race against time to find a cure for the coronavirus. The virus has killed over 7,300 people and has infected more than 185,000 globally. With stakes like these, scientific communities across countries have begun trial runs and experimental vaccines in the hopes that one day humanity can triumph over this lethal infection. For the first time ever, researchers in Australia have mapped a human body's immune response to the novel coronavirus. This breakthrough comes as the world is faced with an exponential increase in the number of infections and deaths after carrying out tests. Research from the University of Melbourne have noted that despite showing significant immune response, the infected person continues to be unwell. However, the team believes that 4 distinct immune cell populations were identified after the tests look like an isometric variation of influenza viruses.
Probably the world's most advanced mapping of the immune response to coronavirus in mild to moderate patients. Why is this important? It's important for 2 reasons. It's about fast-tracking a vaccine by identifying which candidates are most likely to be successful, but it's also about fast-tracking potential therapies and treatments for patients who already have coronavirus. And that means, particularly for those who have respiratory difficulties, they are looking at the potential for faster access to therapies, faster access to treatments.
The findings in Australia come as a significant development. A mapped immune response can be studied to develop a vaccine, one which replicates the body's natural immune response. Another application of these results would be screening immune system markers that could accurately predict which person is likely to have aggravated symptoms and die. In China, the government has given the go-ahead for researchers to begin human safety tests of an experimental vaccine to treat coronavirus. The vaccine is being developed by researchers at China's Academy of Military Sciences, a wing of the People's Liberation Army. In the United States, where the virus has infected more than 4,600 people, 4 volunteers were given a shot of the experimental vaccine by researchers at the Kaiser Permanente Washington Institute in Seattle. It was also reported that it was no more painful than a flu shot. Now, this experimental vaccine is also one of the worldwide efforts to find a quick cure for coronavirus infections.
It's really interesting being kind of on the forefront of this. I really hope that it works and it's able to be used publicly and become widely available for everyone. You know, there's obviously a certain amount of nerves associated with it, you know, as any experimental trial is going to be. You know, I hope it works. I hope there's no crazy side effects.
However, no absolute vaccine or a single established treatment method has been found till now. Earlier, researchers used a combination drug used to treat HIV and flu to reduce the symptoms.